Okay, so division of fraction by a fraction. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. And then always express your answer into lowest term. So wag natin kakalimutan yung paglo-lowest term natin. So for example, so meron ako ditong 9/8 divide by 3/8. So, to divide a fraction, so i-divide natin yung fraction by another fraction. So, i-multiply natin yung first fraction which is 9/8 by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, ang gagawin natin, itong second fraction na ito is i-reciprocal natin. So, for example, papakita ko yung solving. So, meron tayo ditong is equals. So, 9/8 times the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, 8/3. So, ito yung reciprocal niya. So, next. So, adjust muna ako. So, next is, we will now multiply the fraction. So, using the cancellation method, mas napapadali nating i-multiply ang fraction. So, therefore, if we cancel this, so 8 and 8 cancel. So, by 8, so we have here 1. And then 9 and 3, so by 3, so 3 divide 3, we have here 1, and 9 divide 3, we have here 3. Okay, so now we can now multiply the fraction. So 3 times 1, we have here 3, and 1 times 1, we have here 1. And then ang sabi, always express your answer into lowest term. So kapag ini-lowest term natin si 3/1, therefore meron tayong number 3 na whole number. So that is our final answer. So ito yung example number 1. Now, how about this example number 2? Okay, so para makita nyo, ito yung example number 1. So example number 2, so meron naman tayo ditong 5/6 divide by 1/4. Okay, so the same lang din. So first is i-reciprocal natin yung second fraction. So 5/6 times the reciprocal of the second fraction, so 4/1. Then we can now apply the cancellation method if possible. So 5 and 1, hindi siya pwedeng magamitan ng cancellation method. Therefore, itong 4/6 is pwede. So by 2, pwede mo siyang i-divide by 2. So 4 divide 2, we have here 2, and 6 divide 2, we have here 3. Therefore, 5 times 2, we have here 10, over 3 times 1, we have here 3. And always express your answer in lowest term if it is possible, kung pwede siyang ma-lowest term. So, since this is improper fraction, therefore, pwede siyang i-lowest term. So, by dividing the numerator and the denominator, so if we divide this, so meron tayong 10 divide by 3. So 10 divide 3, we have here 3, and 3 times 3, we have here 9. Then subtract, we have here 1. So therefore, kapag isinulat na natin ito sa fraction, meron tayong 3 and 1/3. So the final answer here is 3 and 1/3. So ganun lang kasimpleng kumuha ng or mag-solve ng division of a fraction by a fraction. So yon.